Okay, so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to explain how to use the Supra eKEY lockbox. Again, I had a hard time with this. It took almost like 2-3 weeks to figure it out. I went through all these loops and turns, but once I got it figured out, I've had a super easy experience with it and I love it, and now I know why we use it as realtors, okay? Now the reason why I'm making this video, I just became a realtor about 2 months ago. The first 3 times I tried to use this kind of lockbox, I had a hard time. On top of that, I had buyers behind me waiting to get into the house, and worst of all, it was in a Texas heat. So you can't even understand how much pressure I had and how frustrated I got not knowing how to operate these little things. So it took me some time to figure it out, but I'm gonna show you guys how to use the Supra eKEY lockbox. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is open up your app. You gotta go to the App Store and get the Supra eKEY app. So once it's just showing at the house, you want to first thing find out where the lockbox is here. So you can scan this door and boom, find it. Okay, step 1, open the app, and you want to make sure you press the refresh button if you haven't already. Okay, if it's not refreshed, it will have a little sign that says exit here. First thing you do is go to the lockbox. In the bottom of this place, you have a black, so you can see here, you have a black little push thing. And then on this side, you have kind of an indicator, that's what I call it. I'm gonna press it once. See the red dots? I'm gonna point, I'm gonna press this key button here. Now I have it connected. Now you have to create your own identifying PIN number. I created mine. It's loading, boom, success. Now, once it's connected, you press again and the key comes right out. Easy as pie, okay? Now, in order to lock it, what you wanna do is you wanna put the key back in the little pocket, has a key sign here, and it's easy, just slide it back up. So that's how you use it, very simple. You find the key, you find the lockbox, you press once, it'll blink, you point your phone, you press the key, then you press your PIN number, and then you wait to load, and then it'll show you green light say successful. Press it one more time, comes right out. Very easy. Now let me show you what to do in case you have issues. If you're having issues, what you want to do is call Sabor. When you call a Sabor, San Antonio Board of Realtors, my wife and I call it Sabor. We're a bunch of salsa dancers, you know. In salsa dancing, you need some kind of sabor in dancing. Anyway, you want to dial this number 210-593-1200. So after you call, you want to make sure you know your license number, okay? You're gonna call them, you're gonna let them know that you're having a hard time accessing the Supra key box. Now they're gonna give you an authorization code that you have to go in there and figure out. So that's my suggestion, is call Sabor, call that number, and then go through the customer support, and then they'll kind of walk you through it. So other than that, that's how you use the Supra eKEY box. Well, yeah, that's it.